Can we turn the hours we spent online into money? That's a big fat yes. But how? Today we'll tell you how to earn money online with work-from-home jobs. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for notifications so you won't miss out on great videos like this one. We all know that time is money, so let's make sure that every time we get on our phones or our computers, it will translate to more cash in our wallets. How many hours do you spend on your phone? According to statistics, millennials and the younger generation spend an average of 5 to 6 hours, while baby boomers spend between 3 to 5 hours. That's only for smartphones. What about when they go online with their laptops, iPads, or tablets? People are online almost every hour of the day. According to Bill Gates, the internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow. Most of the time, they're scrolling the news feed on Facebook, checking out beautiful photos on Instagram, catching up on juicy gossip on Twitter, or watching their favorite shows on Netflix. The internet does not exist only to offer entertainment and recreation for people. It doesn't just exist so you can reconnect with your old friends or show off your achievements or places you've been to. But it gives us infinite opportunities to make money if we only knew how to take advantage of it. That's why you are here, right? You want to do away with watching any videos on YouTube that do not add value to your life. You are here to learn how you can be more productive online. There are plenty of money hustling opportunities online, but for today, I have rounded up some great ideas that you can try out. The first one is online tutoring. To be globally competitive, many people are learning to speak English and they are looking for teachers and tutors. Can you help non-English speakers improve their English skills, grammar, writing, reading, or speaking? If you do and you can, this is for you. The great thing about online schools is there is a steady supply of students. The next thing you need is Zoom or Skype. These are the common platforms used for online classes. Check out the following sites to see if it's a match for you. 51 Talk. This is a Chinese-owned online English school. If you are from the Philippines, this school is looking for Filipino teachers who can teach English from the comfort of their homes. Schooly. This is a Canada-based school. They are looking for US and Canadian applicants. They offer English classes and other subjects like basic math, algebra, geometry, calculus, science, and even business classes. If you are good at any of these subjects, check out their website, VIP Kid. This school offers $14 to $22 an hour. There are no minimum hours required. You can teach whenever you want and wherever you are. The next online job is freelance writing. If you're looking for writing gigs, Upwork is the best job marketplace. You can find different kinds of writing, articles, SEO, video scripts, ebooks, and a lot more. Some writing projects are paid hourly, others are per article. The pay ranges from $10 to $100 or even more than that depending on the project. Aside from Upwork, there are other websites where you can get paid to write. Flex jobs. You can find full-time and part-time home-based jobs here. ProBlogger. If you are into blogging about different niches, then check this out. Freelance Writer's Den. The writing jobs offered here are technical writing, health writing, content marketing, creative writing, and copywriting. The pay is also higher than the ones offered on other websites. There are many positive testimonials from writers who have made a living through writing from this site. Aside from writing, these websites also offer freelance editing and proofreading. There's money in writing, so don't get left behind. You can sell virtually anything online. And you don't even have to build your own online shop. You can use your social media accounts to sell something. Instead of uploading your travel or food photos, upload the things you want to sell. When the KonMari method rose to fame as popularized by Marie Kondo, people learned to appreciate the minimalist lifestyle. Part of this method of tidying, you take an inventory of your possessions, especially your clothes, and get rid of things that don't bring you joy anymore. So, if you have too much clothes, you'll want to declutter it. Ask yourself this famous question: does this spark joy? If it doesn't, then separate your used but not abused clothes into a to-sell box and list it online to be sold. Have a catchy tagline like, "My pre-loved items need to be loved again." Be creative to attract customers. If you do not want to use your social media accounts, you can sell them on eBay, Etsy, Amazon, or Carousel. Apart from pre-loved items, you can also sell cookies, bread, pastries, or cakes. During the pandemic, many had to stay at home, and they discovered that they have a knack for cooking. Take advantage of that newly discovered skill. Not only can your family enjoy your cooking, but you get to make money from it. Have you picked up a new skill during the lockdown? Share with us in the comments section below. Besides writing gigs, Upwork is also an excellent place to look for virtual assistant jobs. If you are detail-oriented and organized, you can work from home as a virtual assistant. You offer services to clients like scheduling appointments, making phone calls or travel arrangements, and managing email accounts. Basically, it is like a personal assistant for online entrepreneurs that need to free up their time for their business needs. Finally, did you know that you can make money just by answering a few survey questions? Your opinion can translate into cash. There are many sites that offer paid surveys. Make sure to carefully choose the ones that are legitimate. Here are a few. Swagbucks. In addition to the paid surveys, this site pays you for doing everyday things like shopping online, watching videos, and searching the web. You can earn points that can be converted to gift cards or cash. It really is that easy to make money online. Inbox dollars. You get cash, not points, from answering surveys, watching videos, reading emails, or even playing video games. Not only can you earn some money, but also free coupons for groceries, home, beauty, and more. Life points. Get rewarded for completing surveys and testing out new products. You can earn virtual points which can be converted into gift cards or redeemed through PayPal. The internet has given people so many options and plenty of opportunities to make money from home. There is no excuse for people not to be able to create and build wealth. All you need to do is look for the opportunities. They're right under your nose. Get off social media and use your online time to make more money. Are you as excited to check out these websites as I am? Let me know in the comments section below which work-from-home jobs you are planning to try out. If you find this helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications so you won't miss out on more wealth-building videos like this. Check out this popular video and I'll see you in the next one.